New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Innovative Edge Tech YouTube channel, and today I'm actually going to unbox a vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner actually came from Amazon. I purchased it from Amazon, and it is Eureka Forbes Euroclean X-Force with deep cleaning technology. This vacuum cleaner is selling for around 13,000 rupees in the retail market, but you will get it like 11,000 or 11,900. Some dealers actually sell you this for 10,000 rupees as well, but what they do is, I'll tell you in the later part of the video why the price is less for them. But I purchased it from Amazon, where the cost is actually very good, and you get it actually for the kind of 9,500 rupees. In offers and all, you will even get it for 8,999. So basically it is actual cost is 9,000 rupees, and this actually got it delivered today. It took a late to come, but talking about this product, it's actually very good product. Checking out the box overview, so here it is, the branding Euroclean XForce, our new age vacuum cleaner with deep cleaning technology, and obviously the links will be shared in the description, so you can actually buy from the links in the descriptions. So overview of the packet, it's a brown color packet, and as you can see, the mentioned price on this should be here somewhere. So you see, it's a genuine product manufactured by Eureka Forbes. So as it is manufactured by Eureka Forbes, and you can see the details here, and the price mentioned is, I told you right, 11,190 rupees. So that's the MRP which is written on the box. You get it for around 10,000 to 11,000 from the retailers. Some retailers even sell it for 13,000 rupees with some added accessories. Not comes with Eureka Forbes, but it is separate accessories, so that you don't get in this box. This is a standard box with standard all accessories. So this is selling in the market for 10,000 to 11,000 rupees, but on Amazon it will sell it for 9,000 rupees. So basically it is a 1400 watt, and you can see the input and dimension here. So this is very high power vacuum cleaner, and on the front side, as you will see, it will mention some of the details. I'm recording this video from my mobile, so I think so we need to focus here. Okay, let me give some light here. As you can see, I am focusing here. So new age convention, new age production, new age technology, and Eureka Forbes, as you know. So features are written over here: 1400, that is 1400 watts of power section, rust proof for longer life, rotatory vario power, auto cord winder. That's very important, auto cord winder, because you don't need to wind the cord. Special wheel for easy maneuverability, and range of accessories for suitable. So I have just opened the box to check if everything is fine. Nothing else on the box, is just a standard box packing with the details. And when we go, remember my friend, this has the suction and the blower functions both inbuilt, so it's a good. So once you open the box, as you will see inside the box, first of all you will get an accessories box. So okay, let's see what's in the accessories box. Okay, so lot of things I will actually see one by one. So basically it says everything here, so I'll go one by one on this part, but let's keep this aside, this accessories box, because it's a very good kind of 13 accessories we get. So let's keep this accessories box, and as you can see on the accessories box, it's extension tubes 2, spray jar 1, atomizer, aromizer is one, corner cleaner is one, car wash adapter. Yeah, you can wash your car with the car wash adapter. And then all surface cleaner, grill cleaner, carpet brush, floor brush, and precision cleaner. So it is manufactured 14 September, as you can see. So this accessory list is, and here is the vacuum cleaner itself, and this is the pipe, hose pipe. I think so it is some 4.5 meters. That's what was written in the but build quality is not that good, but yeah, it's pretty decent. So this is the pipe itself. Keep this pipe aside, and this is the vacuum cleaner itself. It comes into the packing. It has a lift here. I'm gonna lift with my one hand, and it's not that heavy, but it's not that light as well. So let's keep the thermocol aside and let's have a look on the vacuum cleaner itself. Let me open it. So as you can see, I have opened it and it looks pretty decent, build quality and everything. So let me move it. It comes with a wheel and a good wheel here. This is the connector. This is for the suction. And not aware of it. Okay, and then we have a covering here. Okay, so this is the back covering, and I don't know if this is the back. Okay, it is for blower function, I guess. Yes, it will take the air from back side. It is for the blower function, and this is the. So I put the covering here, and now I will try to get this locked. Now it is locked, and this is the power cable. Yes. Okay. Auto cord winding is there, but it will work when you put the cable on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm powering it on, and let's see the first run. So I have given it power, and I'm waiting for the lights to come. Okay, so a green light has come here, as you can see, and I think so we can open it from here. This is the opening here. Yes, and right now it is open. It is powered on and open, and this is the bag. Okay, we do have a manual and warranty card here. Okay, so I have got a manual and warranty card, I guess. There's a manual here. Don't know warranty card is there inside or not. Yes, the warranty card is also there. It says about warranty card, but what they say is better you get it demo basically. So you give a call to this number, they'll give you a demo to you. Okay, so that is what. But I'm gonna take it off for a while and check the bag itself. So bag, I don't know how to take it off, but I think so this should come. It should be washable. Yes. So you have to take off this bag here, and this is a washable bag. It will collect all the dust inside. and this is what is the range. So you can set the range here. Okay. So it is not functional. So I have a dirty mattress. This is a very dirty mattress which I have, and I want to clean it. So let's see how it will clean this mattress. So right now I have put the carpet brush. So this is a carpet, cold and dirty carpet. So I'll show you clearly how dirty it is. You can see these hairs and everything here, and it is quite dirty. After cleaning also I will show you video. So let's start and clean it. So first of all, what we will do is we have put the carpet brush here. This is the carpet brush, and let's connect the suction here. So right now it is connected. Well connected now. So let's